Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic keyboards with a focus on the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. If you spend long hours typing or working on your computer, this keyboard might just be a game changer for you. We'll explore its features, design, and how it can enhance your typing experience. But before we get started, please remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's get right into it. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. This keyboard is designed with one primary goal in mind: exceptional comfort during extended typing sessions. It's packed with features to reduce strain and promote a more relaxed posture. First and foremost, this keyboard shines in its ergonomic design. Traditional keyboards often force us into uncomfortable wrist and arm angles, leading to discomfort and potential injury. The Nulea keyboard, however, boasts a split, splayed, and curved design. This allows you to position your body more naturally, keeping your shoulders relaxed and reducing the risk of fatigue and strain. One standout feature is its ability to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously, both via Bluetooth and a 2.4G USB connection. You can effortlessly switch between devices with the press of a button. Imagine starting an email on your computer, sending a quick text on your smartphone, adjusting your laptop's background music, and seamlessly switching back to your PC to finish that email. It's all possible with one tap. The Nulea keyboard also boasts an adjustable 7-color backlighting system. With 3 brightness levels and 7 color options, you can customize your typing experience to match your preferences. Choose from blue, green, red, cyan, purple, yellow, and white, taking your desk setup to the next level. Say goodbye to battery problems. This keyboard features a larger internal battery, 2000 mAh, that provides extended operating time, especially when the backlight is off. You can focus on your work without interruptions. When the battery does need a boost, simply use the USB-C charging cord for a quick and hassle-free recharge. To enhance comfort further, the Nulea keyboard offers 4 adjustable tilt legs, allowing you to choose from 3 different tilt levels. This design keeps your wrists in a comfortable position, minimizing pain and discomfort, no matter your preferred typing posture. In conclusion, the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard is all about improving your typing experience and overall well-being. Its ergonomic design, device switching capabilities, customizable backlighting, and USB-C quick charging make it a valuable addition to your workspace. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. If you found this video helpful or have experience with this keyboard, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this fantastic ergonomic solution. Thank you for joining us on the UK Pro Reviewer channel, and we'll catch you in the next review.